Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Gleetour dashcam front and rear, 4K Full HD dual dash camera for cars, built-in memory card monitoring, 64 GB card. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 4K plus 1080p dual dash cam. The Gleetour G2 dashcam front and rear setup features a 4K Ultra HD front camera and a 1080p rear camera. With its wide 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear coverage angles, this dashcam captures a broad view of the road, reducing blind spots and recording essential driving moments such as traffic conditions and surroundings for enhanced safety and peace of mind. Superior night vision. Equipped with premium optical lenses, a large f1.55 aperture, and 6 layers of glass, this dash camera for cars integrates HDR, WDR, and 3D, DNR technologies, enabling clear recording in low-light conditions and capturing every crucial detail. Memory card failure alert to protect data. When the memory card fails, due to damage, disconnection, or incompatibility, the dashcam emits a continuous DID audio alert to prompt the driver to take immediate action, preventing recording interruptions. Dual storage loops independently to ensure that every second is securely recorded without interference between emergency and regular videos. High-speed Wi-Fi connectivity and smart app control. This dashcam wireless system supports both 5 and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, compatible with iOS and Android devices. Use our free app to live view, playback, edit, and share videos effortlessly, managing camera settings with ease and sharing your journeys with friends and family at the touch of a button. 24-hour parking monitor mode. After parking and turning off the engine, the dashcam enters parking mode to monitor the surroundings continuously. It records in a time-lapse mode at 1 frame per second, saving energy and space, and requires an optional ACC hardwire kit, sold separately. A built-in G-sensor detects impacts, triggering a 1-minute video recording securely stored in the event folder, keeping you updated on your vehicle's status. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.